Welcome everyone. Today we'll walk through the JEE Main 2026 syllabus covering Paper 1, Paper 2A and Paper 2B. This guide will help you understand the structure, subjects and preparation strategies. There are 3 papers. Paper 1 for BE BTech aspirants, Paper 2A for BARC, Paper 2B for B Planning. Each paper evaluates different skills and the exam is conducted twice a year by NTA. Paper 1 tests the engineering foundation, physics, chemistry and mathematics. Physics covers mechanics and modern topics, chemistry has physical organic and inorganic parts, and math includes algebra, calculus, geometry and probability. Physics is concept heavy. Key areas include mechanics, electromagnetism, optics and modern physics. Around 30% of Paper 1 comes from physics. Chemistry blends theory and applications. Physical chemistry covers thermodynamics and kinetics, organic deals with hydrocarbons and functional groups, and inorganic covers the periodic table, D and F blocks, and coordination compounds. Math is central across all papers. Topics range from algebra and calculus to geometry, vectors, and statistics. Since it appears in all papers, it's the most crucial subject to master. For architecture aspirants, the syllabus includes mathematics, same as Paper 1, aptitude test includes visualization, reasoning, and architecture awareness, drawing test includes sketching, perspective, and rendering. For planning aspirants, again, math is the same as Paper 1. Aptitude involves spatial reasoning and data analysis. Plus, there are planning-based questions on urban development, sustainability, and infrastructure. This chart compares all 3 papers, physics and chemistry only in Paper 1. Math is common to all. Aptitude appears in 2A and 2B. Drawing is exclusive to 2A. Planning-based questions only in 2B. Paper 1, 75 questions, 300 marks, 3 hours. Paper 2A, Math, Aptitude and Drawing, 3.5 hours. Paper 2B, Math, Aptitude and Planning, 3.5 hours. Negative marking applies to MCQs except drawing. To prepare well, break the syllabus into topics. Create a timetable focusing on weak areas. Practice with mocks and past papers. Keep short notes for quick revision. Consistency is more important than cramming. Key books include NCERT, H.C. Verma, O.P. Tandon and R.D. Sharma. Online help from Khan Academy and Unacademy. Use previous year papers, coaching mocks and the NTA Abhyas app for practice. Remember, success in JEE comes from daily efforts, not overnight miracles. Stay consistent, stay focused, and you'll achieve your target. Good luck with your preparation.